Come on the next page. Here, compare these both the things. While drawing, you have to show which one will be heavier. Compass, geometric box. Instead of compass box, you can also say as geometry box. And pencil. From these, you have to measure it. But here it is written clearly 2 pens of balance. I had showed you previously this type of 2 pens of balance. Then here one table is given. You have to write the different things, but you have to compare into 3 boxes. First is lightest, in between, weight and heaviest. For example, it is given here paper is the lighter one, eraser is between and ball is heaviest. So like this you have to complete this table. For example, I will show you handkerchief. Handkerchief is such a small and the lighter in weight. Then scarf. Scarf is heavier? Yes. Now next is shawl. Shawl is more heavier. So you have to take some examples and you have to write and complete this table. Now can you find your own weight using this balance? No. Here the whole things are lighter than us. We can't find our own weight by using this balance. So your answer will be no. Now the next is practice time. First of all, add these numbers, then I will show you what you have to do. Here 25 and 40. So you will write the answer 5 plus 0 5, 2 plus 4 is 6, 65 grams. Then here 5 plus 0 5, 3 plus 4 7, 75 grams. Here you have to show by drawing the arrow that which pen on the balance will go down. Always remember the lighter things will go up and the heavier things will go down. This is heavier and this is lighter. So which pen will go down? This pen. So you have to draw the down arrow. I will show you only 2-3 examples. You have to do it here at your own. Now here 5 plus 5 plus 0. So what will be the answer? 10. 1 carry over. Then 5 plus 4 9. 9 plus 0 9. 9 plus 1. Again 10. 1 carry over. Then 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 1 10. So your answer will be 1000 gram. And here 4 plus 0 5 plus 0 5. 2 plus 6 8. 854 gram. So which balance will go down? This balance. Now you know what you have to do. Let's take this example. 0 plus 6 6, then 9 plus 2 11, 1 carry over, 1 plus 1 2, 216 gram, and this is 197 gram. So which pen will go down? This pen. So you have to draw the arrow like this. Is the weight on any of the pens equal to 1 kilogram? Mark it. 1 kilogram means how many grams? 1000 grams. So yes, I had seen here. So you have to mark this pen. How many grams are there in 1 kg? Now you know it very carefully. Now complete this table. Again here 5 things that we usually buy. You have to take the help of your mother and father. If your mother is buying the items from the market, then please ask her. So she will help you in grams and in kilograms. There are so many items we are using in our daily lives. For example, soap bar, turmeric powder, cumin powder. In grams there are so much less of items because in kilogram we are buying rice, then wheat, And then what you will do? You will write the examples like this. So it will become easy. Vegetables, fruits, etc. You can write that what you buy. Now gram. In gram there are less items. Because we can't write rice in this because it is in gram. Here you can write soap bar. While comparing this soap bar and rice, soap bar is so lighter. Then the powder, any powder you used or your mother used. For example, turmeric powder. Then magic masala, that you know of Maggi, magic masala. Then sauce sachet. So these are some examples. You can write your own example. It is not compulsory that if Miss had given this example, so you have to write this. Now here, which is heavier? So let's see. 1 kilogram cotton or 1 kilogram iron. Which will be the heavier? 1 kilogram cotton or 1 kilogram iron? Both the things are different. Cotton is so light and iron is heavier. Now next is, he threw 1 kg kilo of cotton. So I threw 1 kg watermelon. Yesterday you said that the weight of 1 kg cotton and 1 kg melon is equal. So here you can see one confusion is there. If you threw 1 watermelon instead of pillow, is it a joke? Yes. How it is possible? Both the weights are different. Table you have to complete because the bill is cutted from here. You have to guess the weight of these things which is given in the list. Rice, it is heavier. Yes. Sugar, it is heavier. Yes. Wheat is heavier. Then dal is heavier. No. Tea is heavier. No. Pepper is heavier. No. Mustard seeds are heavier. No. Why I am doing yes or no? I will show you. Here rice is heavier, so you have to write kg. Sugar is heavier, so you have to write kg. Wheat is heavier, so you have to write kg. Now, the things which are lighter in weight, mustard seeds means rice. Then dal, as you know, tuer dal, and that there are so many different types of dals are there. Then tea, cha powder, and pepper. Pepper means mari that you use at your home. These all the things which are in blue color, that things are lighter or heavier? Lighter. Always remember, lighter means small and heavier means big. And it will be in kg form. Now here, Ritu is weighing her toys. What she is doing that? She wants to know if her tractor is heavier than her car. Remember again that this is not a real. These are her toys. If I put 2 cars with the, will the tractor still be heavier? You can also do it at your home. If you have teddy bear, then you can balance the teddy bear with your extra toys. So you will know that who is the heavier. And this will become a nice game to play at your home. This is a short story that I will explain you later.